Store, Amazon EBS, Overview. Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS, is a service that provides block-level storage volumes for use with Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, instances. EBS volumes behave like raw unformatted block devices in the cloud. And you can mount EBS volume as device on your EC2 instance. Each EBS volume can be attached to only one instance at a time, but multiple volumes of Amazon EBS can be on the same instance. Since EBS volumes are mounted to the instances, they can provide single-digit millisecond latency, which is extremely low latency between where the data is stored and where it might be used on the instance. EBS volume is designed for both throughput and transaction-intensive workloads at any scale. Amazon EBS offers data persistence. All the data on the attached EBS volume remains available even after you stop or terminate an Amazon EC2 instance. Amazon EBS provides two major storage volume types: solid-state drive, SSD-backed storage, and hard disk drive, HDD-backed storage. SSD-backed storage is optimized for transactional workloads, which involves frequent read-write operations with small I/O size. Some use case examples include databases and boot volumes. SSD-backed volumes include the highest performance provision IOPS SSD, IO2 and IO1 for latency-sensitive transactional workloads. And general-purpose SSD, GP3 and GP2, that balance price and performance for a wide variety of transactional data. Amazon GP3 volume enables customers to provision performance independent of storage capacity. The dominant performance for SSD-backed volume depends primarily on IOPS. Hard disk drive, HDD-backed storage, is for throughput-intensive workloads, such as MapReduce, data warehouse, and log processing. HDD-backed volumes include throughput-optimized HDD, ST1, for frequently accessed, throughput-intensive workloads, and the lowest-cost cold HDD, SC1, for less frequently accessed data. Dominant performance for HDD-backed volume depends primarily on throughput, measured in megabytes per second.